Hi, thank you for tuning in to this week's Artist at Home video. My name is Tiffany and I'm the Program Associate at A-Step. I'm also a visual artist and teaching artist. At A-Step, we bring social, emotional, and mindfulness skills to children all around the globe. As teaching artists, we believe it's important to practice those skills before we get into a classroom and teach them. So today I'm going to be leading us through a mindfulness exercise, and then we're going to go into an art activity. For our mindfulness exercise today, I'm going to be leading us through 5-finger starfish breathing, and we're going to put our palm out in front of us just like this. We're going to trace our fingers. So I'm going to take a deep breath in through my nose as I trace down my thumb, and I'm going to release that breath through my mouth as I trace up my index finger. I'm going to repeat that. In through my nose, out through my mouth. In through your nose, out through your mouth. In through your nose, out through your mouth. So that's our breathing mindfulness exercise for today. You can do that as many times as you want until you feel a bit more calm and present in the space that you're in the moment that you're in. So now let's get to our art activity.